Here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna learn how to generate a QR code here in Canva. It's super simple and probably won't even take 2 minutes to complete. Okay, let's get started. Here's the timer. Alright, so as always, Canva probably has a template. It has a template for almost anything, so you can just search for QR. Just type in QR and there we have it, QR templates. So you can just search and just select any one you like. An easy way to do this, to find the free ones, just go over here where it says free and pro and just select free. Okay, anyways, you can use a QR code on any design. You can use it for Instagram posts, Pinterest, whatever you like. You just need to generate the code and you place it on whatever design that you make. I'm going to create a flyer. So I'm just going to look for flyer templates. And I'm going to look if I see any that I like. Okay. Alright. In the interest of time, I'm just going to create a blank flyer. Alright, so what we need to do now is just go to more where you see these three dots, click it, and as you can see that the QR code app has appeared. You can also type in QR code if for some reason you can't find it, and you just click it. So here you have to add the URL so that can generate the code. So I'm just going to use a random link and generate the code. So there you have it, or QR code. So I'm using a dummy link to a random steakhouse. So in this example, you can comment below and tell me where this QR code has taken you. So there we have it, a QR code in less than 2 minutes. Now I'm just going to fast forward the process and show you the finished flyer with the QR code in a minute. So there you have it, a simple flyer. Maybe I'll put a phone number, whatever, maybe. But I'm tired of designing right now, and like I said, I'm not a professional. So thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like this.